Oh, hey everybody. Well, Sarah and I just got here. It's about 8:30 at night. First time here in 2 months. I've got to say it's altogether a little too comfortable right now. We've got the mini split going. It's like perfect temperature in here. Lights. I don't even know if this can count as a cabin anymore. And we got some fun stuff we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm not going to list it all because I've done that in the past and then I don't get half of it done, and then my introduction is like ruined because I talk about all kinds of stuff and I never get it done. So we're going to do some fun stuff tomorrow, but like that's all I'm saying.
Beatrice, the star of the channel.
Yeah. Good buddy. I'll check back in tomorrow. Sarah and I have really been struggling to sleep at the cabin, and one of the things we realized was we took the oldest set of sheets we had at our house and brought them down here. Since we want to spend a lot more time down here, we decided to buy some really high quality sheets. While we were shopping, we realized that hotel quality sheets can cost around $500 for a nice set. That was when we discovered Brooklinen. Brooklinen was founded on the philosophy that people deserve simple, beautiful home goods without the luxury price tag. High quality bed sheets are really expensive. Brooklinen gives you the quality and comfort by cutting out the middleman. The online shopping process is pretty fun. Brooklinen allows you to mix and match over 20 different styles, and you can get hotel quality sheets for about half the price, around $200 to $250. If you think about it, you spend a third of your life on sheets. When you sleep, you should sleep well on hotel quality sheets that don't cost an arm and a leg. Brooklinen's best-selling Luxe Sateen sheets are the ultimate bedding upgrade, perfect for elevating your sheet game. These sheets feature a luxurious 480 thread count and a slightly luminous finish. Instead of buying individual items, save 25% by purchasing a hardcore bundle. The hardcore bundle we got includes a duvet cover, extra pillowcases, and a core sheet set. Still not sure? I anticipated that, which is why I secretly recorded Sarah talking about these sheets without her knowledge. Listen up.
How high quality they were.
They are, like
Yes. Oh my gosh, yes, Mike. I've never owned sheets this nice before.
Right now, Brooklinen is having a summer sale. Everything's 15% off. Be sure to take advantage of it to try out their sheets or stock up on your favorites. So that clear hose has gone a little funky. I take my hand away so it exposes properly. And I think that's making our water smell a little bad because it's clear and the sun can get it and whatever can grow. But I just want to pull the cover and pull this cover to the cistern and make sure there's nothing dead floating around in there. So we're going to do that now. All right, let's see if I can't get this thing open. There was 5 screws. If I remember, it's kind of suction. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Oh wow, we're almost out of water. All right, I figured out why our water smells bad, and this one's gonna go down there with the whole house fan for comments, but whatever. It's the truth. So let's check this out. So that is there's not one, not two, but 3 dead mice in there, and we're almost out of water, which is good because it'll make it a lot easier for me to clean it out. So the question people are probably gonna have is, how do they get in? Well, when I ran this drain for our sinks, it was exactly in the way of our fill, and I just cut it. You can kind of see up there, like I just cut it off, and I never reconnected it. I kept. So as I tend to be forgetful of details. And when I did this work, I knew I was probably gonna have to cut that. I brought a coupling, it was 1.25 inches. I came back, I brought another coupling, I brought a 2-inch. I came back again, I probably brought another 1.25 inches, came back again, forgot what the size was, brought 1.25 inches. I needed a 1.5 inch coupling to fix that so that nothing could get in. Because if you look out here, right, I mean, it's normally connected there with a cover. And I just kept forgetting the size and bringing the wrong size, trip after trip after trip. This pipe here runs from there and down into that cistern, which is normally perfectly sealed up, but if you cut hose, you definitely can't have an access point like that for mice. Oh wow, look at this. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 starlings. Well, I guess I need to change that chimney cap. I had a subscriber tell me that the other side is better, and I just haven't done it yet, so now I'm a murderer of 3 mice and 5 starlings so far, and countless bugs. Well, there's the starling haul. If only we were this good at hunting deer. On the bright side, we're perfectly comfortable in here. We're running our air conditioning, and we are also bringing in an extra 236 watts. Main array's bringing in 250 to 270. The east morning array is bringing in about the same, 270. The west is actually bringing in about 10 watts, which is surprising. And so all that is running the air conditioner because it's super efficient and giving us like 200 something extra watts. So at least that's some bright news. So obviously it's no secret that I haven't been making videos for about 2 months, and Sarah and I haven't been here in 2 months, and really the reason for that is I was starting to get completely overwhelmed with my shop project. While the cabin and the YouTube is fun, the shop is work. I mean, real estate, buying things, selling things, fixing things, renting things out is what I do for a living. Like, YouTube is awesome, but that's my job. And I started to feel overwhelmed and behind by it, so I worked like crazy on everything there, and obviously we decided we needed a much needed break, and so we came down here after not being here for 2 months, and it ended up being anything but a relaxing much needed break. And so on reflection, this is something that I've known for a long time, but sometimes the lessons just kind of sink in, and I realized that a lot of the problems that I'm having down here is from taking on too much work and trying to do too many things and leaving things undone. So for the rest of my time here, you know, a couple hours today, I'm just gonna finish little stuff that I never got done. So hopefully I can start to chip away at that big elephant in the room that is causing me constant stress of having so much stuff going on and so much stuff left undone. So I'm gonna go work on some stuff, and Sarah's also gonna work on some stuff. All right, let's go take a look at the first thing that I'm gonna take care of. So I don't know if people remember, but when I ran this, I didn't have any wire, and I just put a iPhone thing through to hit. This is a light, gonna be a light, that's gonna be a light, and so I'm gonna pull the actual wire I need through and make sure it works. There we go. Whew. Hole that I'm going to try and hit. got a bunch of these ghost light style bulbs left, so I'll put these in here. There it is. On 4 tries. Horrible design. Those look pretty cool though. Oh man, what a horrible design. Probably because they were like, I don't know, like $10 or something, less than that. I don't know. So yeah, cool. And you're gonna use that, and then the whole switch panel. So if you want to save energy, you turn that on. And you can even wire it so that stuff doesn't come on, but I just did it so that you can come in here and find it real easily. But so you turn that one on, and then all the other switch panels work. And then this one is going to go with a bath fan. If I have time today, I'll install it. I doubt I will. The next thing we're going to do is just put this piece of metal up here. I put this trim piece up here, and I never put it over here, so I'm going to do that now. Alright, so there's like one viewer for like 3 years been asking me why I haven't put the screen return on the screen door. And I don't really have a good excuse for it. Actually kind of pathetic that I haven't done it, so might as well do that now. My gosh, it's hot. This trip would be impossible without air conditioning. It's like 90 plus out here. I'm dying. So the next step is to put this on this. This thing goes on here. Using this pin, it'll probably drop and lose. We'll have to wait. Oh, I didn't lose it. Alright. Very specifically says to put this in here using front hole. And it shows a picture of this hole that I'm using right here. And it says with door firmly shut, mark and drill 2 pilot holes. I got these little things to make this look better, so put those on now. There we go. That's better. Alright, the next dumb thing I've been doing is storing a roll of insulation in the loft instead of putting it right here in the wall where it needs to go. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, that should make it a little warmer in winter and cooler in summer. This has actually been pretty productive. Next, outlet covers. Just kidding, I have to custom make those. I don't have those ready. Someone out there has been asking me to do those for a long time. Whoever you are, someday. So the dead mice in the cistern is really a bummer. I mean, we've spent a lot of time and effort and blood, sweat, and tears on this place, trying to get it how we want and working on it a lot. And I have kind of the formulations of a plan in my head to hopefully solve that issue. And my plan is to suck the water out, clean the tank really well, and then I have an auxiliary intake, so I'm gonna suck some kind of a bleach, and I'll have to do some research, but some kind of a bleach water mixture, something like that, to sterilize the whole water system of the cabin. I'll probably food color it so I know when I've hit every section of pipe, and maybe let that sit in there and then flush that out. That's the plan going forward. So this is one more thing that I've got to deal with. So, but we'll take care of it. Well, what started out as a pretty much a disaster of a trip actually ended up pretty productive. So it just goes to show, stay positive, keep at it. Don't forget, Brooklinen on sale now until September 8th, 15% off.